Panakid store. My father and my daughter eating. Ah. Meow meow with the cat. With the cat, guys. Oh. Hi, baby. Okay lang yun, hindi ko pakita. Hi, baby, you're hungry. My father. My daughter. My cat. I want to see my rabbit. My rabbit pregnant. Hi, rabbit. Ah, she is pregnant. Moon. Wait, they are talking for telephone. They are talking with that girl telephone. BJ Kumar, thank you so much, BJ Kumar. I want to feed him. Her. Yeah, she love it. Look this baby. Eat. Oh yes. I make like this, guys, because she is pregnant. She is a preggy. My rabbit preggy. My rabbit preggy. You're afraid? Why? Why you're afraid? She is a good, and this is a man. Man, rabbit, and this is woman, her partner. His partner. I don't know why. Hi. Here. Do you like to eat too? No, hungry. They're hungry, baby. They are hungry. Hey, baby. Happiness. Look at this. He's hungry. Ah, you're hungry. Wait, baby. This. Ah. Yeah. Manlight, babae ka o lalaki? Look at him. Ang galing. Feeding him. Oh my God. Bernard Vasquez. I'm full. I'm not hungry. Yeah. Look. I like to feed you guys. Feeding my rabbit.